This November, I visited Miyako Islands in Japan. It was such an amazing trip, and here is the Miyako vlog. Hey, second day at Miyakojima. I'm at the southern end of this island. You can actually see both sides of this island here. So this is the left side, and here you can see the other side. I will fly my drone around here in a few minutes, and you will definitely see how beautiful this place is. I'm going for a snorkeling session in a few minutes, so hopefully I can show you some turtles, some sea turtles. Yeah, so excited and so pumped. Headed to Idabu Island for the snorkeling session. I have never seen a sea turtle in my life ever before, so I am really hoping that I will be able to see one today. Hello again. Look at this place. So the specialty of this island is that this entire island is made up of coral reefs. You can see it in the sand. The sand is so white. Look at this place. An entire island made up of coral reefs. Ooh. See you in the sea. We just reached the beach, and once we go inside we can see some sea turtles.